If you're experiencing pending transfers on Shopify, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check payment settings. Ensure that your payment settings are correctly configured. Go to your Shopify admin, click on Settings, then Payments, and verify that your payment provider is set up properly. Step 2. Review transfer schedule. Look at your transfer schedule to see when payments are expected to be processed. Navigate to Settings, then Payment, and check the payout schedule for your payment provider to confirm if the pending status aligns with the expected timing. Step 3. Verify bank account information. Confirm that your bank account information is accurate. Go to Settings, then Payments, and check the bank account details linked to your Shopify account to ensure there are no errors. Step 4. Contact payment provider. If everything seems correct on your end, reach out to your payment provider's support team. They can provide insights into why transfers are pending and help resolve any issues on their side. Step 5. Monitor for updates. Keep an eye on your Shopify admin for any updates regarding the pending transfers. Sometimes it may take a little time for the system to process, so be patient and check back regularly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of pending transfers on Shopify. If the problem persists, consider seeking further assistance from Shopify support.